Okay everyone, hi, hello. I'm not sure what I've already recorded at this point, but we are a day after I've uploaded the first video, so thank you for all the love on that. Mwah. I've basically got down, I'm having a crisis, okay? I was in two minds. I don't think I explained this in the last video, but I've been in two minds whether to do a multicoloured hat or do it all pink and white. If you can't tell, although I'm a massive raging goth with the double F and emo with the capital E.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
My favourite colour is pink. Like, I love pink so much. I wear pink a lot in my accessories or like things like this, but I never wear pink because I prefer wearing black. So I've basically gotten most of my yarn. This is like the main yarn, and then I have a box upstairs which is like scrappy bits of yarn, so like the small balls of yarn that I can't use entirely for one project, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go rooting up there as well to see if I have any more, but I've gotten all my yarn out and I've put them in like little piles. I have a lot of pink, so I'm going to show you now, and I kind of think I want to do this whole thing pink. So let me show you. So we've got like blues, these are just like odd bits, these are odd bits as well, including a penguin squishmallow, no clue. And then these are my pinks. I've also put purple and green there, just move those out of the way. This was a top that I started and I haven't finished. So these are all like my main pinks, and then like I said, I have a box upstairs filled with like little scrappy bits, or just like little bits that I don't really use. So that's this. And then Maya had a brilliant idea. One sec. So these are all the granny squares that I plan on doing next, and Maya had the great idea to cut little bits off of these and stick them in here to get them matching, to see if I have enough colours and textures to actually do all of these granny squares and for them to look right. So if I were to just do pink, I wouldn't need to buy any more yarn, because that's the main thing. The main thing is I want to use up my yarn. I don't want to be buying other bits. But yeah, I think I might do it pink. But I don't know. I have a full black outfit. I'm going in a full black outfit. So I wanted that pop of colour, and I think that pop of colour is going to be pink. Because I'm like, will I look too girly pop? But I'm like, my two personalities are literally perfectly described in those things. A full black outfit with my like emo goth double F makeup and then a pink hat. That is so me. I don't know. I think I'm going to do it all pink. I think I'm going to do it all pink. I think, yeah, because that will make me very happy. And just the thought of just like all the bright colours and using the bright colours and getting the right colour combinations is really freaking me out. And I think I'll feel safe if I'm doing pink, so I'm more likely to do it. We'll see, but update number one is I think I'm doing everything pink. Luckily, I've only done 2 granny squares, and one of those granny squares is literally a pink smiley face. So I'll just have to redo the evil eye, but that's completely fine. I'm fine with that. Eee! Okay. See you in the next update. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm just popping everything into this little book, and originally I was going to do a sunflower skull, but now I'm just going to switch to this one because I want to use these 2 colours. So I think that'd be really cute, and this has only got 2 colours. I might end up doing the border a white, but for now, this is what it's going to be. But yeah, just working my way through this, and I will update you when I am finished. Okay, ignore the roller in my hair, but I'm getting kind of ill. I think I'm coming down with a cold, which is just, you know, brilliant. Exactly what I scheduled, but I fully decided that I'm going to do everything pink now. This is how the book turned out. So these are obviously only a couple, but yeah. These are the ones I'm going to do. I'll put the flash on a sec so you can see the sparkly ones better. I don't really know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that. I'm basically redoing this one so that it's all pink. This is her so far. She's looking real cutesy, real demure. Yeah, so I'm just doing this, watching the final episodes of Emily in Paris. I don't want it to be over. I swear to God, if she ends up with a completely different person than who we've been pining after for the past 2 seasons. Murder. There's going to be murder to Netflix, alright? But yeah. I'm just finishing this up. I'm not sure which one I want to try and do next. There's some that I'm putting off, such as the yin yang, because I attempted to do it in black and white the other night. It's not even halfway done, and it is a pain in the arse. This one, obviously, you go round and round, and this one you go back and forth, and it's really complicated, so I need to really concentrate when doing this. So I'm going to try and do it again, but I'm kind of putting it off, so we'll see. Okay, so it's a couple hours later now. I am so ready for Halloween and autumn. I got a new little guy. I just nipped to Home Bargains, and obviously every Halloween they have these little hanging decorations. It's so cute, look at him. Look at him. He's adorable. Gonna match my little guy. I need to hang him up, but I literally have like 4 or 5 of these in the loft, so when we get Halloween decorations down, I'm gonna have them all hanging on my bed. At the end of my bed, potentially. But yeah, I just got them. Some new spot patches. These ones are amazing. I haven't tried these ones, but they're really good. And then some batteries, because as you can see, these fairy lights are not going to light on dead batteries. But yeah, I'm going to continue now. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Let me show you. These are the 2 so far. Look how cute they turned out. This one, the white is all sparkly. I don't know if you can see that properly. But then I had to make this one the same size as that one, and I've put the little thingy on. So that one's done individual, that one's just like 2 lines. But look how cute. So these are the 2 so far. Very excited, and I'm very, very glad that I'm doing everything pink now, because this is exciting. Love this. I'm not sure which one oh my god, I'm all pink. I don't have my pink nails on. I'm all pink anyway, but yeah. But I literally have all of my pink yarns in my leopard bag. So yeah, this is actually coral, so I'm not sure if I'll use that one, but yeah. I'm also going to do this for the moon and the sun, which will be exciting, and that for the middle of one of the other eye ones. But yeah, like I said, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do next. I think I might have a go at the sun and the moon, and then that'll get all the big ones out of the way. Is it a big one? No, it's not. Which one's under the big one? The swirl. Swirl, the 70s flower. What was that one? Oh, the love heart and the checkered one. So yeah, I'll have a go at one of those first. Then that'll get the big ones out of the way. But I've used a 4mm hook for both of these, so I think I'll probably size down to a 3mm hook for the smaller one. I'm not too sure, but we shall see. I'll update you when I've done some more, and potentially also record myself doing some of them, because at the minute I'm just doing check-ins, but I want to actually show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I just finished work, just got back. I am developing a cold, which is brilliant, amazing, brilliant, just what I need. No, guys, I'm not spending my time playing Overwatch instead of doing granny squares, because I'm procrastinating so much that I keep doing the granny squares off.
Are you sure about that?
But anyway, I'm going to spend tonight playing Overwatch, and then I have the next 2 days off, so I plan on getting a lot more done. And I mean it this time. I need to stop procrastinating and stop. I need to do some simple granny squares. Because I tried doing the checkered one the other night, didn't work. That kind of put me off. But yeah, I'm going to play for tonight. And then I'm going to continue tomorrow. Or I might, even if I get bored. I mean, it's like 10:30. Is it 11? It could be 11. If I get bored of playing this tonight, then I'll just go upstairs and do that. But yeah, I'm going to have me some food, play me some Overwatch, and then yeah. Also, these are the new nails I put on. They're clowns. It's a sad clown. It's a bit wonky. It's a wonky sad clown. Hey. But I really love the tips of them. And then this one's got a happy face on. But yeah, they're the new claws. These are the last ones that I'm putting on until driver era, so I need to show you the ones I'm putting on for Driver Era. Or I might not do. I'll do that as part of the big grand reveal. But yeah, so I'll give you a little update. Bye. Okay, it's a little bit of an update. It's the next day. I'm just doing the skeleton one. I haven't recorded me doing any of the other ones, but I have this many now. It's literally like a week and 2 days away. I really need to crack on with it, lads. I've done so bad, but yeah. I'll properly update you tomorrow in daylight potentially, but I might have to start taking them to work. Okay, I've just finished my tea. I'm going to show you the granny squares that I've done so far, and I'm going to try and get a lot more done tonight as well. I'm running out of time, I'm panicking, so but I'm going to show you now. Welcome back to the bunker. It's really not that many. I basically did a simple granny square, and then I did it 4 colourways. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I might do more of these. They're quick and easy, so if I do run out of time to do special ones, I'll do more of these. This is the evil eye that I redid. This is the flower, which is basically the same as the sun that I've done, but on a bigger granny square, because these are the large ones. Then I did spiral, and I redid the spiral because I thought I went wrong. Turns out it doesn't look that much difference. That's the old one. That's the new one. It just curls up a bit because I missed a few that don't curl up as much. But this one's passable, so I've got 2 swirl ones. Smiley face, beautiful. And then the 2 that I love. This one's my favourite one. It's like a 3D-ish one. You have to like do double crochets underneath. You did like 3 double crochets, and then on the next row you double crocheted underneath the middle double crochet of the previous round, if that makes sense. But this one took quite a while because I had to pay a lot of attention to it, but worth it. And then this is the moon. Anyway, those are all the granny squares that I've done so far. I think I'm going to try and do the yin yang one next. That one was kind of difficult and I challenged myself, so I'm going to try and do that one again. But it took me ages last time. But then again, I was watching, what were we watching? I think I was watching Pirates of the Caribbean. So yeah. Anyway, I'll update you in a bit. We'll see. We'll see. Bartholomew is keeping me company. So is Nicholas. This is Nicholas. I have loads of them in the loft, but this is a new one that I got from Home Bargains, and it's adorable. And I want to get my Halloween decorations down and hang them all up. But yeah. Bartholomew says bye. Bye. Just a quick one because I always share whatever I am watching when I'm crocheting. Sean uploaded a new Fears to Fathom game, I believe. Yeah, Fears to Fathom game. This is my favourite series that he ever does. So with the fact that we got a new one, it was 2 hours and 22 minutes. So good. And then this was me crocheting, blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, oh, I'm in the mood for Until Dawn. But then I was like, no, I'm in the mood for The Quarry. And I ended up watching all of The Quarry Part 1 again. This was like 2-3 years ago, which was mental. But yeah, just thought I'd share. That's what I've been watching. I've just been watching old Jacksepticeye videos. That is so real. If you want to know what I listen to when I can't get to sleep, it's this. I'm just really exposing myself here. It's not that one, it's this one. And it's literally Jet Ambulance. Jet Ambience I like listening to anyway. There's this specific one where they're all blue. I don't know why I'm telling you this. Which one is it? There we go, that's the one. That's the one that I listen to. So I was really in a I think I had a dream about Hotchner the other day, and that's why yesterday when I was going to sleep I was like, oh, I really want this one on. So yeah, I highly recommend if you can't go to sleep and you love Criminal Minds. Sometimes I forget that like people actually see this. It's normal. It's normal to have the ambience of a show that you really, really love to get you to sleep. I've just been robbed as well. Anyway, update you in a bit. I knew there was another one. I did a skull as well. I forgot to show you the skull. Swear to God. I can't find the pattern for the clown granny square, so I'm going to attempt to make this from scratch. Why am I doing this to myself? I don't know. But I've got 5 hours worth of the quarry content to keep me entertained, even though I have work at 10 in the morning, so... Okay, so I think this is going to be the last video that I put in this video, but the last clip that I put in this video, because I've started to put the hat together. I kind of got a little bit freaked out that I'd not actually measured anything properly when it was joined together, so if I were to do all these granny squares and they weren't going to fit, I would have exited. Yeah. So I put some together last night, as you saw in the previous clips. That was what I was planning on doing. So now I'm going to show you the actual hat. Here she is. She fits really, really nice. So I've got the clown there, the smiley face there, the swirliness there, and the skull at the back. Kind of like a dark side and then a light side. So on the top, my evil eye's going to go here, which will add to the dark side. And then I'm going to do a little half flower granny square here in a dark pink rim with a pink flower and maybe like a purple centre or something. But yeah, she's looking mega, mega cute. And having a little panic that it was going to be too big. Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to put the rest of it together today. I'm going to make more granny squares, but that's going to be for part 3. And then there will be a reveal at the end. And then obviously it's literally 5 days until driver era, so... I'm going to do a vlog where I'm wearing it, obviously, and it'll be us in Birmingham, because we're going the day before and we're having Wingstop. We've never had it before, so very, very super excited for that. But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely dumplings, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Love yous.